15,000 years ago, one wrong decision could end a human life. And yet, ancient people chose to sleep next to a predator. Not behind a fence, not in a cage, right next to them. Why? Because that predator made them feel safer than anything else on Earth. I'm Wolf, and today I'm going to tell you something that will completely change how you see the bond between humans and dogs. Let's go back to the Stone Age. Humans are small, slow, and have no claws or fangs. They're easy prey. Now imagine, a pack of wolves starts following your tribe. Not attacking, just following. At first, pure terror. But then something unexpected happens. The wolves start eating what the humans leave behind. And the humans notice. When wolves are nearby, other predators don't come close. This is where it all started. Not with taming, with mutual benefit. Here's the key question. Why dogs and not, say, cats, horses, or bears? The answer is in one word: communication. Dogs evolved to read human emotions. Not just commands, emotions. Studies show dogs are the only animals that follow a human's gaze the same way a child does. A wolf, even a tame one, doesn't do this. A dog does it naturally. Think about that for a second. Your dog isn't just watching you, it's reading you. And now tell me in the comments, has your dog ever sensed your mood before you even realized it yourself? I bet the answer is yes. Ancient humans didn't keep dogs as pets. They kept them as a survival system. Dogs warned about approaching enemies. They tracked prey by scent, something humans simply couldn't do. They kept children warm on cold nights. Archaeological digs have found human burials where dogs were placed beside people. Not as sacrifices, as companions, even in death. That's not just trust, that's love, thousands of years old. Here's what's truly mind-blowing. Dogs changed because of us, not the other way around. Over generations, dogs with softer eyes, a calmer temperament, and the ability to understand gestures survived better near humans. They got fed. They were protected. Evolution literally shaped them toward us. This is called coevolution. Two species changing each other. And it happened only once in all of nature, between humans and dogs. No other animal on the planet has gone through this. Not cats, not horses, not even primates. So next time your dog looks at you with those eyes, know this: that gaze was shaped by 15,000 years of history. It's not just a pet looking at you. It's the result of the longest alliance in human history. We didn't tame dogs. We grew together. If this hit different for you, you know what to do. Drop a like. It takes 1 second, but it tells me this kind of content is worth making. And if you want more stories like this, about animals, evolution, and the wild history of life on Earth, hit subscribe. The pack is waiting for you. I'm Wolf. See you in the next one.